Hello student, this is second lecture of the first chapter real number. Now see we are going to do these questions today. Rationalize the denominator. So actually the little part of this kind of question we have already covered in previous video. So today we are going to do only two questions. So whatever doubt you have in your mind, so it will be clear. I think it will be clear from these two questions. So see the first question, 3 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus root 5. So you have to rationalize the denominator here and this one also. Let me start from the first question. So as you know, so rationalize the denominator means you have to remove the square root from the denominator. So it doesn't make any difference if square root is over numerator, so it should not be there in denominator. So the first step to solve this kind of question is we need to multiply this given expression by 3 plus root 5. So here instead of minus we are going to write a plus. So let me do here 3 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus root 5. So I am going to multiply this expression by 3 plus root 5 here. Again the same thing, divide by 3 plus root 5, which is equals to, so if you check the numerator, you have 3 plus root 5 two times. So 3 plus root 5 into 3 plus root 5. So this can be written like this, 3 plus root 5 whole square. Square means 2 times. Divided by, in denominator we have 3 minus root 5 multiplied with 3 plus root 5. So let us simplify it further. So here you can see this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So you can use the identity to solve this square term. So you know that a plus b whole square identity is like this, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if you compare this square term with this identity, so it's clear to you. Here a equals to 3 and b equals to root 5. So we can simplify it like this. So a square means 3 square plus 2 into a into b. A into means 3 multiplied with root 5 plus b square. B square means this root 5 square. Let's come to denominator. So in denominator we have in the form of a minus b, a plus b, and you know the identity of this one, which is a square minus b square. So a means 3 square minus b means root 5. A square minus b square. So remember I have used the identity here. So let's simplify further. 3 square is 9 plus 2 into 3, you get 6 root 5 plus square root will cancel, you give 5 divided by 3 square is 9 minus, here also it will cancel to give you 5. So 9 plus 5 will give you 14 plus 6 root 5 divided by 4. So if you see numerator, you can take 2 common from these two terms. So I'll do here. So by taking 2 common, we have, so 7 is left over here plus here 3 is left, 3 root 5 divided by 4. Now after taking the common, you can cancel this 2 and 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So you get 7 plus 3 root 5 divided by 2. Now see this final expression, its denominator is free from square root. So this is the desired answer we are looking for. So this will be your answer. Okay, let's come to second question. So see this question, 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 3 plus 2 root 2. Again you have to rationalize this denominator here. Okay, by same process we will continue. Now here is the point. Okay, so uh, we are going to multiply this expression by the same thing here, that is 3. Instead of plus you are at minus sign, you know you have to change the sign. If it is plus, we'll make it minus. If it is minus, we'll make it plus. Others will be remain same. So 3 plus root 2, so I'm going to write 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by the same thing, 3 minus 2 root 2, which is equals to, again, so 3 minus 2 root 2 multiply with 3 minus 2 root 2. That means the same terms 2 times. So you can write in square form like this. So square form in denominator also write the same thing. Multiply with 3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, let's simplify it further. Now here we will expand this one by using the identity a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. You know it. Okay. So I'm going to write identity here, so you will not confuse. A square a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's use that identity. A square, this a square means here 3 square minus 2 into a into b. A into b means 3 multiply with 2 root 2. So 3 multiply with 2 root 2 plus b square. So this is our b term. So 2 root 2 square. This is b square divided by. So again, this denominator is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Again, using the identity here, a plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. So a square means 3 square minus b square means this one, 2 root 2 square. On further simplification, you will get 3 square is 9 minus 2 times 3 times 2 is 6 to 12. So you get 12 square root of 2 plus, and so you know this one, you cannot cancel this square and square root directly because we have 2 also here. So first you have to make the square of 2. 2 square is 4 into, now root 2 square is simply 2. You imagine like this, 2 divided by 3 square is 9 minus, again here also 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is simply 2, which is equals to 9 minus 12 root 2 plus 8. 4 times 2 is 8 divided by 9 minus 8. So 9 plus 8 will be 17 minus 12 root 2 over 1. So if there is only 1 in denominator, no need to write it. So you simply write numerator only. So this is your required. Let's come to next type of question. Simplify. So you have to simplify this given expression. So if you see this question carefully, then you will realize that actually this first part is same as that rationalizing denominator. Again, this part is also same as rationalizing denominator, and this part also. So what you do here is that we'll rationalize this part separately, this part separately, and this part separately, keeping this plus sign in each step. So the basic way to solve this question is simply a rationalizing denominator, but you have to rationalize denominator in each part, the first part, second part, third part, 3 times. So let me show you how to solve this one. Okay, first write this expression, 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Now here only we are going to rationalize the denominator. So you know it, how to do it. So multiply with this one, 2 minus root 3. So So 2, no, not minus, it should be here plus. You know you have to change the sign. 2 plus root 3 will multiply and divide the same. Okay, so we have finished this first part. Let's come to second part. So don't forget to use this sign. Plus, we'll write this second part. 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. Now again, we'll rationalize here only. So 2 plus root 3, so you know it, this is 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. Let's come to last part, that is plus root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. We'll rationalize here also by multiplying with root 3 plus 1. Instead of plus, we'll add minus. Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. Okay. In next step, let's say this one here. 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 2 times. We'll write in square form this way. And in denominator, again, this is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. We will add it same identity. A square minus b square plus, let's come to this portion here. 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3 will give you 2 minus root 3 whole square. And in denominator, again a plus b, a minus b identity, that is a square minus b square, 2 square minus root 3 square plus, and same thing here also, root 3 minus 1 whole square divided by root 3 square minus 1 square. Now it's time to use the identity, suitable identity in each part. So let's see here. A plus b square form, and the identity is a square, that's 2 square plus 2 into root 3 plus root 3 square over 2 square is 4 minus square and root will cancel to give you 3 plus, let's come to this part here, a minus b whole square identity, that is a square minus 2 into root 3 plus root 3 square divided by 2 square is 4 minus, so you get 3 here, and last part is left. Again we'll do same way, root 3 minus 1 whole square, so you get root 3 square minus 2 into root 3 into 1 plus 1 square divided by, this one cancelled to give you 3 minus, and 1 square is 1. So I'll simplify here. Okay, so 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 2 will give you 4 root 3 plus square and root will cancel to give you 3 divided by 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 2 square 4 minus 2 times 2 times root 3 will give you 4 times root 3 plus, and this is 3 divided by 1 plus, so square and root will cancel, so you'll have 3 minus 2 times root 3 times 1 will be 2 times root 3 plus 1 square is 1 divided by, here you will get 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now let's simplify it further. So remember, we are very close to the final answer. So 4 plus 3 will give you 7 plus 4 root 3 1. Okay, let's write 1 here plus 4. Oh, 4 plus 3 will be 7 minus 4 root 3 by 1 plus 3 plus 1 will give you 4 minus 2 root 3 So here 1 no need to write, so you can simply write numerator only 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 7 minus 4 root 3 plus, so here you can take 2 common from these two terms and cancel with the 2 which is present in denominator. So I am going to take 2 common from here, 2 minus root 3 divided by 2, so that these 2 cancels each other. So we'll have 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 7 minus 4 root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So here you just take each term carefully. So you will have here plus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 will cancel. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 minus root 3. Okay, so this is your final answer. So dear student, these questions seems to be long, but don't worry, the simple things. Actually, what you have done is simply rationalize the denominator in each part, and you continue it. Finally, you will going to get the answer. Okay, let's come to new type of question. The question says like that, like this: find the value of a and b if root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1 equals to a plus b root 2. So you can see here a and b is present here. You have to find the value of this a and b. So how to solve this kind of question? Let's see. So if you look left hand side, so you can rationalize in denominator as previous one, like we have done like that, and right hand side will keep as it is. So again I'll repeat it. Left hand side will do rationalizing denominator and right hand side will keep as it is. So let's start like this. So root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. So by doing rationalizing, okay, so root 2 plus 1, it should be root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1, which is equals to, we'll keep same here, a plus b root 2. On further simplification, root 2 minus 1, root 2 minus 1 will be root 2 minus 1 whole square over, in denominator we will use the identity a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square, that is root 2 square minus 1 square equals to a plus b root 2. Let us expand this one by using a minus b whole square identity. So root 2 square minus 2 into root 2 into 1 plus 1 square. So you don't confuse. Here I have used the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square divided by here 2 minus 1 equals to a plus b root 2. Let me write this side. Okay. So square and root will cancel. Give 2 minus 2 into root 2 into 1 is 2 root 2 plus 1 square is 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1, which is equals to, so I am going to write this one here, a plus b root 2. So 1 no need to write here, so simply write 2 plus 1 will be 3 minus 2 root 2 equals to a plus b root 2. Now, so we'll write like this, plus then minus 2 root 2 equals to a plus b root 2. So here I have done little adjustment. So I am going to write here plus, because plus into minus will give you minus. So it doesn't make any difference. So if you compare the left hand side and right hand side of this equation, it is clearly seen that A must be equals to 3 and B must be equals to minus 2. So actually this will be your answer. So in last step what we are going to do is we'll compare both sides of the equation. So A is compared with 3, that is I'm going to write a comparing, we can write A equals 3 and B equals, so in place of B you can write a negative 2, that is minus 2, and this is your required value of A and B. So A is 3 and B is